So I know this place in Bohol, Panglao that is possibly the best Airbnb house a person can rent. And this place is known as the Tropical House.
Golden sun in the morning air. Open doors, you can take me there. Palm trees swaying in tranquil zones. Welcome now to the tropical house. Oh, we love the tropical house. La la la, the tropical house. Sip on sweetness where dreams ignite. Colors bloom in the soft twilight. Laughter flows with a gentle breeze. Every sunset's ever a memory. All the moments we're holding on to find your peace where the ocean sings. Golden sun in the morning air. Open doors, you can take me there. Palm trees swaying in tranquil zones. Welcome now to the tropical house. Oh, we love the tropical house. La, 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 tropical house.
Whether you have a family or a large group of friends and you're looking for an Airbnb in Panglao, the Tropical House is a really good option because you have 3 different air conditioners, 2 different bedrooms, 2 different bathrooms, and you can sleep anywhere from 10 to 15 people very comfortably. And not just that, but it's also situated in a very good neighborhood. It's quite quiet. There's almost always birds chirping, and it's not busy. You'll find that near Alona Beach and everything, it's a lot of hustle, but here it's much more serene, and these are the actual sounds in the neighborhood. There's almost always birds chirping. But it's not just about the neighborhood, it's about the things to do. Napoleon Reef, just a 2-minute drive away, and here you will find some of the best scuba diving and snorkeling in the world. Sardine runs. They are happening every single day, all day. This is where they like to hang out, and it is almost guaranteed to experience massive schools of sardines. And you can hire a guide for just 1,000 pesos with a GoPro and get amazing footage. Very cost-effective place. And if that's not really your style and you'd rather just go for the freebie completely, here at Sunset Restaurant, just a 3-minute drive away, you can show up for free, jump into the water, and find some incredible coral reef action. Also, if you bring a banana and just kind of sprinkle that around in the water, you will find that different schools of diverse tropical fish will surround you. The restaurant itself has amazing food, very friendly staff, and of course, amazing sunset views. The tables are right outside under a tent, so you can have a perfect, unobstructed view of the sunset. Now, Chris, the owner, along with Apple, they have a private tour where they pick you up at Alona Beach, a 2-man crew, in a small white boat that can fit about 15 people or so. And they take you to an island called Balicasag, which is a famous island for its beauty and also for its snorkeling. So for about 2,200 pesos, you get to have one of these boats to yourself, whether it's you or just a group. And then you set sail out from Alona Beach all the way to Balicasag, and along the way, you will likely encounter dolphins. Now, once you actually get to Balicasag, this is when it's time to get back into the water again for some snorkeling. Bring that banana, shred it up, put it into the water, and you will find massive schools of fish surround you. There's also turtles in the area. Altogether, it's a vacation package that you will never forget. The hosts are absolutely incredible. So if you need a place, the Tropical House is the place to call.